Hey guys, Vezio here and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can record your Windows PC or Mac OS's or Linux's screen, or how you can capture the gameplay in your Windows or Mac OS. So without further ado, let's just get started with the video. For today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best softwares that is used for screen recording. I've personally used this software for around 2 to 3 years. In all of my screen recorded videos, you might have noticed that I only use OBS, which is Open Broadcaster software. So in order to install it, just go onto the link given in the description and click on your operating system. So I'm running a Windows PC, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on Windows. It should download a setup file, so just download that file. And once it is downloaded, just click on it. So I'll leave the timestamps on the screen right now and also in the description. So if you want to go ahead and skip forward to the video, it's written on the screen right now. So yeah, you can go ahead and do that. So just click next, install, and it should install the OBS in like 10 to 15 seconds. And once it is installed, just click on Launch OBS Studio and click on Finish. And now it will ask you, would you like to run an auto configuration wizard? You can also configure manually. So I'm just going to go ahead and click no, and we are going to change the settings manually. So once you've opened OBS up, it should look something like this. And now we're going to go on to the settings, and these are some of the settings which are necessary for you to change. Well, not necessary, but in order to get a good video quality and in order to have ease of access of that video, we're going to change some of the settings. So you can enable or disable dark theme. You can just look around all the settings. I'm not going to explain every one of them. I'm just going to explain a few selective ones which are necessary for screen recording. So under the output mode, make sure that output mode is set to simple, and recording path, you can change the recording path so you have ease of finding the video. I'm just going to go ahead and change it to my YouTube folder, and then you can change the recording quality. Default it would be set as same as stream. I'm just going to go ahead and change it to indistinguishable quality. So this will be a large file size, but the quality, we can't compromise on the quality. So yeah, just go ahead and click on this. And now you can change the recording format. So the extension of the video, I'm going to change it to MP4, and you can change the encoder. So encoder, so if you have a high-end PC and you have good hardware, you can click on hardware encoder, or if you don't have a good PC or you have a mid-range PC which is kinda okay, just go ahead and click on software. Now next we're going to go on video, and here you can change your resolution according to your aspect ratio. So my screen is 16:9 and it is 1080p. So just change it to 1080p if it is not already there. And I'm going to change output scaled resolution to 1080p also. And you can go ahead and change your FPS. So higher FPS means smoother video, frames per second. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on 60, and yeah, make sure that your computer can take this amount of load, as 60 FPS is a lot and the size of the video recording file will be quite larger. Next you can go on to advanced and select your, no, that's it. So once you're done with these settings, just click on apply and click OK. Next up, under the Scenes tab, select Scene 1 or Scene and go to Sources, click on this plus button and click on Display Capture. Display Capture captures the display or the screen. As you can see, the OBS is recording or capturing everything that is on the display, everything that is on the screen right now. So yeah. You can enable or disable capture cursor. So if you disable it, cursor will not be shown on your recordings, but I would suggest that you enable it. But it's totally up to you. If you're recording gameplays, you can click OK, and this will enable your display capture. So now if you want to enable gaming capture, if you want to capture some gameplays, so make sure that your game is running in the background. And now what you have to do is click on this plus button again, click on game capture and click on OK. You can change the name of the game capture according to your game, but I'll just keep it game capture. And under the mode, you have to select capture specific window. And under this new window option, you have to select the game that you opened in the background. So Burnout Paradise, I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. And after that, click OK. And make sure whenever you are recording your gameplay, this I button is enabled, not disabled like this. It is enabled, and I like to lock it. So yeah, after that, just minimize your window and open your game up. And the game should start recording. So that's about it for this video, guys. Hopefully this video worked out for you. If you have any questions or if you have a video suggestion, make sure to drop them down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you.